Blues continue to be the best-selling color for spring 2026. I've got some beautiful blues for you today, all $19.99. And there's some fabrics that are going to go to $29.99, so just watch and hope you enjoy. This is a navy. It's a texture. I feel certain you can't see that texture, but it's beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. It's like a Pontoroma, but richer. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's a cotton poly, and the texture's on one side, and the drape is amazing. For a jacket, pair of pants, incredible. $19.99. Great, great, great price. This is a viscose. Love the colors in this. You can see all the spring colors, the yellows, the greens, the florals. Everything's perfect. This is a viscose, has stretch in both directions, and great drape. T-shirt, anything like that would be amazing. Even pajamas. This is a 100% cotton. It's a cotton knit, and it has a bias pattern on it. So it's a little bit of a two-tone. It's a kind of a Wedgwood blue with this color blue going through it. It's really like a cobalt almost. It's beautiful. It stretches in one direction. It's light, but it's perfect for pants, top, just very many things. Very pretty fabric. This is that color that's of the stripe. It's that exact color, but it's a reversible and it's a black. And this is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions, slight. And it, again, a beautiful fabric, just a really, really beautiful fabric. I just love these. This is a cotton knit. Pretty sure it's cotton. Yeah, it's a cotton. Is that gorgeous for spring? Just a beautiful little print. Floral, perfect. Again, blends beautifully. Look at the colors and how they blend together. You could go navy or the mid-tone blues, either way. Great drape on that. And then I have just a little tiny bit of this crushed velvet left. But again, it's just beautiful with all these colors and putting them together. It's just a really, really pretty for spring. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. And again, it's all just $19.99 today. All right, the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.